This is the way you want to get PuffCuff as close to the front of your head as possible, because the base of her puff isn't as big as it was when it was in the top of her head. Same thing, open wide. You're gonna bring your head up, crisscross over. Now this is the junior that she's got in. You just swing it forward and then put that PuffCuff right in, and then she's got it kind of swooped across in the back. Start with one size and then see how comfortable you are with that, using that one size. Then start using other ones to experiment more. But we like you to go ahead and purchase one, so at least you know how to use it and you're comfortable with it. Then when you get the other ones, you'll be more prepared to experiment more. So you've got more of a top forward bun. Now, is that not like perfect for a wedding? That is just too cute.